Chapter 5 Straight Line Graphs Part 1 Y equals mx plus c. In this video we are going to looking gradient, y-intercept and the equation of the straight line. First I am going to show you how is the gradient and intercept. This is the straight line. So the straight line at the y-axis, this point is called the y-intercept. So for example, this is 3. So the gradient, each 1 unit of x direction, how much up or down the y distance. For example, the gradient is half. This is 1, so the gradient is half here. So each one x direction, y direction is half. So the equation of this straight line, y equals gradient is half, so mx half x plus y-intercept 3, so 3. So let's see the general form of the gradient, how to calculate the gradient. If we have the 2 points, point A, the coordinates x1, y1. This direction, this x1, this distance is y1. This point x2, this is y2. So let's make a triangle, right angle triangle. So this distance y2 minus y1, this distance x2 minus x1. So the definition of the gradient, each units of x distance, how much up or down the y distance. So gradient m, here normally use the m letter, is equal y distance is y2 minus y1 divided by x distance x2 minus x1. This is the general form of the equation to calculate the gradient. Let's do some examples. Work out the gradients of the lines joining the points. First one, minus 4, 5. So I am going to mark this one as x1, y1. The second coordinate, I'm going to mark x2, y2. So the gradient m equals, you can take either other way around. The first one is x2, y2. The second one is x1, y1. Doesn't matter. You can take any way. So my x2, so my y2 is 2. So the first I am going to write the formula, general form, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So my y2 is 2 minus y1 is 5 divided by x2. x2 is 1 minus x1 is minus 4. So I'm going to put the bracket minus 4. So this is 2 minus 3 is minus 3 divided by 1 minus times minus is plus 4, so 5. So the gradient is minus 3 over 5. If you take first coordinate is x1, y1, second one is x2, y2, you need to do the same coordinate x1, y1 and x2, y2. For example, if you choose first y coordinate is 2 and the second x coordinate minus 4 is wrong. So you need to choose each coordinates. If we do each point x1 and x2, if you took x1, x2, then other one is x1, y1. x1, the first coordinate, I'm going to choose x2, y2. Okay. The second one, x1, y1. You can choose any order, no problem. So gradient equals, I'm going to choose the y1 first, okay, or x1. For example, my y2 is 2, so 2 minus y1 is 4, divided by x2 is half, because I took y2 is 2, so I need to took the x2 is half, not 3/4. So that's a mistake some students made. So you need to be careful. So half minus x1 is 3/4. So 3/4. So here 2 minus 4, which is minus 2, divided by half minus 3/4 is minus quarter. So minus minus cancel. 2 times 4 over 1, which is 8. So next one, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So m equal q squared minus p squared divided by x2 is q minus x1 is p. Now you can see the top q squared minus p squared, square number, so square. So we can write 2 squares, middle is a negative sign, so difference between the 2 squares. So we can write q minus p and q plus p, factorize, okay, divide by q minus p. Now we can cancel q minus p. So the answer is q plus p. Next one, the line joining 3, negative 5 to 6, a has a gradient 4. Gradient is 4. Work out the value of a. We know how to calculate the gradient. If we know the 2 points, we can calculate the gradient. So the gradient m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let's say I'm going to take this one, x2, y2, this is x1, y1. Okay. So y2 is negative 5, minus y1 a divided by x2 3 minus 6. So it is minus 5 minus a divided by minus 3. So I can put this one, take minus outside. So 5 plus a divided by minus 3. So minus minus cancel. So the gradient is given 4. So this is equal to 4. So I can simplify this one. The minus minus cancel. So 5 plus a over 3 equals 4. You can multiply cross multiplication. So 5 plus a equals 12. A equals 7. Pause this video and try yourself. So work out the gradient of the lines joining the points. So first one, so m equals x1, y1, x2, y2. So 2b, y2 is 2b minus y1 is minus 2b. So I'm going to put bracket in 2b divided by x2 is 7b minus x1 3b. So 2b minus 2b, which is plus 2b, so 4b divided by 7b minus 3b, 4b. So this is 1. Next one is x1, y1, x2, y2. So m equals 8 minus 3 divided by minus 2 minus 12. If you have the negative coordinate, you can, if you put the bracket, you may not make mistake. So 8 take away 3, 5 divided by negative 2 minus 12 is positive 12. Positive 12 take away 2, 10. So which is half. The next one, 0, 5a and 10a, 0. So this one I'm going to put x1, y1, x2, y2. So gradient m equals 0 minus 5a divided by 10a minus 0. So it is minus 5a divided by 10a. So this is minus half. The line joining 3, negative 4 to minus g, 2g has a gradient negative 3. Work out the value of g. So the gradient m equals this one, x1, y1, x2, y2. So 2g minus 4 divided by minus g minus 3. So it is 2g plus 4 divided by minus g minus 3. So the gradient is given negative 3, which is equal to negative 3. Now I am going to multiply, cross multiplication. So 2g plus 4 is equal to negative 3 times negative g, negative 3. So 2g plus 4 equals negative 3 times negative g plus 3g, negative 3 times negative 3 plus 9. Now rearrange this one, 3g minus 2g, g, let me move this one, sorry. So g, 4 minus 9. So this is minus 5. So g equals minus 5. Show that the points A, B, and point C are collinear. What is collinear? Collinear means we need to show these 3 points are in a same straight line. So we need to show that. First I'm going to calculate the gradient, point A and B. Calculate minus 2a, 5a, point B, 0, 4a. So we need to calculate the gradient of AB and whatever. You can choose any 2 points, C, AC or BC. I'm going to choose AC, okay. Minus 2a, 5a. This is C. This is 6a, A. So first I'm going to calculate the gradient of AB. So 5a minus 4a divided by minus 2a minus 0. So 5a minus 4a, a divided by negative 2a. So this is negative half. Next one, I'm going to calculate the gradient of AC. So M AC. 5a minus a divided by negative 2a minus 6a. So this is 4a divided by negative 8a. So this is negative half. So gradient of AB is equal to gradient of AC. The two lines AB and AC same gradient. So these two lines should be parallel. But the point A is common for line AB and AC. So these 3 points AB and AC. This is A, B, this is A, C. These two lines are parallel, but the point A is common both lines. So this line should be in a straight line. All these 3 points in a same line. So this is a collinear line. Work out the gradients and y-intercept of lines. So here, first one, 4x plus 2y minus 9 equals 0. So we need to work out the gradient and y-intercept. We need to rearrange this equation in the form of y equals mx plus c. So I'm going to rearrange this one first. So 2y, I'm going to keep 2y one side and move the other side, 4x, negative 4x and plus 9. So I'm going to move other side, these two. So now this is 2y. So I want to make y equals mx plus c. So divide by 2 both sides. So y equals negative 2x plus 9 over 2. Now we can say the gradient m equals negative 2 and y-intercept c equals 9 over 2. Next one, negative 3x plus 6y plus 7 equals 0. So we need to rearrange y equals mx plus c format. So 6y equals, move this other side. So 3x minus 7. Now divide by 6 both sides. So y equals 3 divided by 6, half x minus 7 over 6. So m equals half, y-intercept c equals negative 7 over 6. Pause this video and try it yourself. So this one is going to put x1, y1, x2, y2. So gradient of AB 4 minus 3 divided by 4 minus 2. 1 over 2 half. Next one, this one, I'm going to put x3, y3. So the gradient of BC 4 minus 7 divided by 4 minus 10. So 3 over 6 is half. So then MAB, gradient AB and gradient BC is equal. So these ABC are the lying on the same line are collinear. These 3 points are collinear. Next one, work out the gradients and y-intercept of lines. So we need to rearrange this equation. So negative. So in this case, I'm going to rearrange y other side plus 1 equals 5y. So divide by 5 both side. So y equals 2x plus 1 over 5. So the gradient is 2, y-intercept is 1 over 5. So 6y equals minus 9x minus 2. So divide by 6 both side. So y equals minus 9 over 6, x minus 2 over 6. So this is minus 3 over 2, x minus 1/3. So gradient equals minus 3 over 2, y-intercept minus 1/3. Write these equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. So in this equation, y equals negative 1/3 x plus half. This is a fraction. So before I'm going to rearrange, I'm going to multiply I'm going to change this fraction into full number. So I'm going to multiply this fraction. First, I'm going to multiply by 3, both sides, okay? So 3y equals negative x plus 3 over 2. Now I'm going to multiply 2 both sides. So 6y equals negative 2x plus 3. Now I'm going to rearrange 2x plus 6y minus 3 equals 0. You can eliminate this fraction one by one, or you can do straight away. In this equation, y equals negative 1/3 x plus half. So the common denominator for this fraction is 6. So you can multiply straight away by 6. So 6y equals minus 2x plus 3. Now you can rearrange 2x plus 6y minus 3 equals 0. Either way you can do this one. Pause this video and try yourself. So the y equals 5 over 3x plus 2. So we have one fraction. So I'm going to eliminate this fraction into full number. So I'm going to multiply 3 both sides. So 3y equals 5x plus 6. So 5x minus 3y plus 6 equals 0. Next video will be covering chapter 5 part 2, equations of straight line. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.